Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a combined Bath & Body Works end of season sale as well as an express sale. So I'm super excited to share these with you guys. I hope if you enjoyed this video, you'll give it a thumbs up and keep watching. So here is my haul from Bath & Body Works. I don't know why I got such a big bag because I don't have that much stuff. Per usual, I stocked up on a ton of shower gels. I just ran out of my last shower gel, or I'm on my last shower gel from the batch that I picked up at the summer sale, so perfect timing to acquire some new shower gels. I got the Sugared Cherry Crisp, which I've never seen this one, so I assume it's some kind of like limited edition or holiday edition one. It smells so good. It smells like really sweet and cherry-y, but I love it. I also got Sweet Whiskey, which I've never seen this one, so I was super stoked about it. It says it's vanilla infused whiskey with sweet apple blossom. Oh my god, this is such a warm, cozy scent. I cannot wait to use that. I got Vanilla Mocha Cafe. The fragrance notes are Cozy Cappuccino, Vanilla Orchid, and White Tonka Bean. Love the packaging on that with a little latte. This smells kind of like Vanilla Madagascar, which is a win in my books. Confetti Daydream. This looks like Endless Weekend. It's like the same color. Kind of smells like Endless Weekend too, but more floral. Had to pick up one of these aromatherapies. These are 50% off. I got the Energy Orange plus Ginger. This is such a good clean scent. I got Champagne Toast. This is like a regular for me. I just think it smells really clean and nice. So good. The fragrance notes are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. I got Hibiscus Guava Fresca, which I don't think I've ever seen this one. Kind of looks like a throwback one. Oh my god, this smells so good. This is like, this is really floral, maybe with like a touch of vanilla undertone. I went on the first day of the sale, so they had a pretty good selection of items. I got Frosted Cranberry. This will be nice. I will literally save this until next December and use it then, because you might as well pay $3.75 for one of these rather than $13.50. The price keeps going up every year. This smells kind of like a vodka cranberry. The fragrance notes are Snow Dusted Cranberry, Juicy Peach, and Ripe Red Raspberry. Finally, my last shower gel is Black Cherry Merlot. I've had this one before and I think I liked it. Yes, definitely like it. It does smell like a glass of wine, which who doesn't want to smell like a glass of wine? But yeah, I only picked up shower gels. I really didn't need any hand creams or anything like that. So that's kind of why I wanted to combine that with these items from Express. I actually hit up an Express Factory Outlet and they were going out of business, so I got like the most insane deals. First up, I got this really cute black tank top. It's like kind of cropped but kind of not, and it has these cute little bows on it, and I paid $4 for this tank top. Literally mind blown. I believe these dresses were like $10.80. And I got this really cute white button-down dress. It's super flattering and I think it's going to be perfect to wear to the beach. I also got this blue and white polka dot dress in the same style with a button-down. This one's a little bit thinner and not as flattering, but I still really liked it. This super cute shirt, I think this was like $5.80. And it says 1975 New York City. It's kind of like a knockoff of the Rolling Stones album cover, and I thought it was really cute. I got it in a small, so I'll probably wear it like tucked in with jean shorts. And then I got this really cute work dress if we ever get back to the office, but again, this dress was like $10, so I couldn't pass it up. It's really pretty. It's white and has these like yellow and pink flowers with these green branches. It ties. It's a wrap dress, has a collar, really professional, And honestly, it was such a good deal. I told myself I can't buy any work clothes till I know if we're going back to the office, but could not pass up that deal. So all of that came to $41. I had a $10 off coupon, and so I got everything for $31. I got 3 dresses, a tank top, and a t-shirt for $31. Like, what? Mind blown. But anyway, check out your Express or Express Factory outlet and see if you can pick up some amazing deals. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I belong to you. I belong to you.